Hello and welcome to SSISG's online demonstration of Office 365 Business Premium and Essential plans. First and foremost, we want to go to office.com. This is where you're going to log in. So we're here at office.com. We're going to click the sign in button at the top right here. And let that load. And then we're going to log in and take a look at an Office 365 Business Essentials plan. So I'm going to log in with the password. Okay, we're logged in and you see a nice welcome message saying good evening SSISG marketing, and we have a lot of great apps below that we can take a look at. On the right hand side, we also have a nice message that comes up letting you know that you can install software on your PC or your Mac, and you can download the full edition of Office 2016 if you have a business premium account. If you have the Office, that's the Office 365 Business Premium account. If you have the Office 365 Essentials account, you'll be able to use those apps online and not on your desktop. But you will have the option to download Skype for Business on both of those service offerings. So let's exit out of that, and we'll scroll down here a little bit. And one of the first things that you want to do when logging into your account is to go ahead and just send an email. So what we're going to do here is click on the mail icon, and a new tab opens up in our browser. So we're going to let that load. And it's securely opening up Outlook Online for Office 365 Business Essentials. And so first things first, we see an inbox here, and we see a focused tab and another tab. The focus tab is basically showing you the messages that you'll most likely want to take a look at, and the other tab is messages that you will likely not want to take a look at. And then on the left hand side, on the pane on the left, you do see your traditional inboxes such as inbox, clutter, drafts, sent items, deleted items, conversation history, junk email, and etc. We also have a nice option within Outlook is that you can chat instantly on the web. So you can click the button at any time, the Skype button, to activate Skype for Business. So we'll click got it, and we'll go ahead and log into Skype there. And you can go ahead and chat with some individuals if needed within your team. You also have notifications at the top right here. And you also have your settings area. So you can set up automatic replies just in the event that you're out of the office. You can set up your display settings. You can set up your offline settings, and turn on and off any notifications that you may have. And just take a look at some more app settings down below. So that's basically just an overview of what you're going to see right when you open up Outlook Online. But we really want to see how to create an email. So we're going to click the arrow here, the drop down arrow, and we want to do new email message. So we click that option. It brings up the email editor, and what we want to do is click this option here to see some more commands that we have, such as save draft, show from, check names. You can set the importance of the email. You can switch to plain text if you wanted to. And you can also see message options if you want to let someone know that this is a sensitive or a confidential email, or if you want to put a delivery receipt on this particular email, or maybe put a read receipt. You do have these options, so I just wanted to point that out. But we're in the message editor for the email, and we'll just go ahead and type a simple email. Hello. Okay, so we send a nice message here. We'll send this. We'll put a subject here. All right, and we'll just send this to sales email here. And we can also change the formatting of this email. So I want to make it a little bigger, and maybe I want to change the color of the font. So I want it in blue, nice and soft. And let's go ahead and send this email. Okay, now the email is gone. It has sent, and that's how easy it is to send an email within Outlook Online for Office 365 Business Premium or Office 365 Business Essentials. So one of the other things that we do want to point out is maybe you want to have a salutation on that email. So what we want to do is we'll scroll down and we'll click on Mail here for some settings. And we want to go down and we want to look at some of the mail settings that we have here. And for example, if you wanted to do an automatic reply, you can go ahead and set that up just in case you're going to be out of the office. That may be something you want to activate and deactivate at any time. You do have some message options, so when you're logged in, you can have a message or sound play when a new item or new mail comes into your account. We do also have some attachment preferences that you may want to take a look at. But let's take a look at the email signature. And this is where you can put in your salutation for your particular account, your business email account. So we'll put in sincerely. And since this is a marketing email account, we'll say SSISG marketing team, and we'll put marketing web address for this particular company website here, which is our company, SSISG. And we want to make sure we have enough space in there. And if you want to change the color, you can. So if you want it in that light soft blue, you could do that if you want to. If not, you can definitely just keep it in black font color. If you want to change the font style, you can definitely do that. And let's say we want to put it in, let's see here, Verdana. So nice clean looking font there. And you can automatically include the signature on new messages that you compose. And you can also include the signature on any messages that you forward or reply to. So you can save that. Okay, everything's saved. So let's go back to the inbox here. and we'll click on email message, and voila, the salutation is there for any email that you create, forward, or reply to. So that's how easy and simple it is to send emails in Office 365 Business, Premium, or Essentials Online. You can also attach attachments or files very easily by just clicking this option here and uploading any files that you have from your computer or any files that you may have in OneDrive. You can also insert images, emojis. You can set up your formatting options, and we also have available add-ins that you may want to use within Outlook. Okay, so we have Outlook Online down pat. Let's take a look at some of the other apps that we have here. So let's take a look at Calendar. So we're going to go ahead and click on Calendar, and we have some nice features that are available. We of course have the nice calendar view. We can add another calendar for this particular account, so you can separate possibly your work and personal calendar events. And you can also schedule an event very easily by just clicking new and then clicking calendar event. And you can put in the details for that event. So you go ahead and put in a title, location, the start and end time, and you can add other people to this particular event, and you can send this event out. Okay. You also have an option to put in a message down below for the event to give the details. Now let's say you want to create a Skype for Business meeting online. So what you want to do here is, we'll exit this out, and we want to make sure that we are online. Okay, and we want to add a new event, and we'll click on Skype meeting, add Skype meeting. So it's very similar to creating a regular calendar event, but what you want to do is make sure that you activate your Skype for Business at the top right here, and also ensure that you're available, and then you can open up that calendar event again, and you'll see the option for Skype meeting, where you can create a Skype for Business meeting online. And you're going to go ahead and put in that title. It lets the users know that this is an online meeting. And if we scroll down at the bottom here, it also includes the join online meeting link and the conference ID and the logo. So when you want to send this out to other people, you can add other users to this account or for this particular event. And you can also request responses, and you can put in the title. So let's just add one. Business meeting, and let's set this for Tuesday, but I don't want it at 12 a.m. Let's make this 2:30. We'll leave it at 30 minutes, and just put in a nice message here. Okay. And let's scroll back up, and we'll go ahead and send this invitation. Okay, so that event has sent out, and as you can see, that event has populated on the calendar. So we'll click on that, and you can see it has been scheduled, and it shows the message details. It lets you know that it is an online meeting, gives the date and the time, and it lets you know that it's approximately 30 minutes long. So that's how easy it is to add a calendar event and also to add a Skype for Business online meeting. So let's take a look at OneDrive. And this OneDrive is a great application as well within the Office 365 Business Premium and Essentials offerings. What it is a secure, business grade, fully encrypted cloud storage solution. It's your best friend. You definitely want to put all your important files in there so they're stored securely and safely within the cloud. And this is your cloud storage account. No one else has access to it. So it's completely secure and encrypted. So we're letting this load. This is the first time opening it up for this demonstration. So it's going to let you know, welcome to OneDrive for Business, one place for all your work files. And so it's going to ask you to click on Next. So we're going to let that load. Okay, and it lets you know that your folder is empty, of course, and it's going to give you the option to upload files to your OneDrive account. So you click on Files, it's going to give you the option to search from your desktop or laptop device or computer, whether that be Mac or PC, and you'll be able to upload those files to your OneDrive for Business account within Office 365 Business Premium or Essentials. You can also sync this with your desktop. So you can create a folder on your desktop to sync a specific folder to your OneDrive for Business account. And you'll just click on sync and follow those instructions. So we've gone over mail, we've gone over calendar, and we've gone over OneDrive. Let's take a look at people. And this is where all your contacts are going to be. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so right now what we're looking at are people that we frequently contact, and what we have in this demonstration are users that you contact on a regular basis, frequently contacted people, people that are featured within the calendar or your favorite contacts, and you can add a new contact very easily by just clicking on New and adding that contact, and you'll put in the first and last name, email, you'll put in the display for what you regular they call this person, and you'll put in the work information, address, and etc. We do have an option where you can bulk upload users, so you can import contacts as well very easily. So if you do have contacts maybe from a Yahoo or Gmail, Windows Live Mail, or your Outlook, an older version of Outlook or anything like that, you can export those contacts out and import them into your business grade Office 365 account or Office 365 Business Premium or Essentials. So it's really easy to add users. You can do it one by one, or you can bulk upload. So just wanted to give you a quick overview of the main apps that you'd be using online. In addition to that, you have Office 2016 fully online, which is very nice and very great. So if we look right here, we have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and we have some new apps in there too. One called Sway, another called Planner. Dynamics 365, very, very interesting. We'll be doing another session on that separately to give you all the great details and benefits of that great service. And we'll also give you a full overview on how that can definitely streamline your business and or organization moving forward. Let's take a look at Microsoft Word Online 2016. So we're going to let that load. And this is really great. You can create Office uh, documents online. You definitely have some templates to choose from. You can pull any documents that you may have from OneDrive or from your desktop or Mac that's synced to your Office 365 OneDrive for Business account. So if we just want to go with a blank slate, we'll click on this new blank document here. And you have all the benefits of using Office online. So this is basically Word 2016 online, and it's business grade. So you have all the capabilities and functionality. Your document is automatically saved at all times, so you don't have to worry about trying to save it. It saves it automatically for you. You have all the formatting tools that you could ever think of and need that are already available in the desktop version. So you can definitely insert images and create tables and put comments and symbols, and you have all your formatting tools, all your different fonts, the whole 9 yards, and you're really set up and ready to go. The same applies to all the other apps as well. So if you like using Excel, you can use Excel online. If you like using PowerPoint, you can use PowerPoint online. If you like using OneNote, you can use OneNote online. And we also have many different other apps in here that you can definitely take advantage of and utilize within Office 365 Business Premium or Office 365 Business Essentials. So I'd just like to thank you for joining us today here at SSISG. We definitely appreciate your continued business. And if you have any other needs for IT solutions, feel free to visit us online. We have many different offerings that you can definitely take a look at and see if you'd like to add that to your company or organization. We have a new offering called Scale and Save, which has a bundled solution of many great SaaS products, software as a service, and it's a great benefit because the more that you scale, the more that you save with SSISG. So it's some great products here. We have plenty of infrastructure products, email and collaboration that we've just gone over, and many more extensive offerings. E-learning solutions. We have solutions for regulated industries, whether that be healthcare, government, the financial sector, insurance, and etc. We also have design services, and we also have domains. So if you need anything like that, we also have another offering, a division rather, called Sinwill, where we offer IT hardware and software products. So if you're in any need of let's say security on site or online security solutions, office supplies, many different IT services, as well as hardware components such as computers, laptops, tablets, monitors, printers, servers, and any type of electronics such as HDTVs, and etc., you can definitely take a look at Sinworld.com. So I thank you for your time today. We certainly appreciate your business, and we hope you have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you for your time.